What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to remove your Amazon's orders history. For this you'll need to open Amazon on your computer, on your browser, the Amazon page. It won't work on the mobile application. So to do so, open Amazon and then sign in with your account, and here go to where it says account and lists and choose your orders. Here you'll see the list of orders of items that you bought. Let's say I want to delete this one from the list. Unfortunately, Amazon doesn't let you permanently delete the item from the list. So what you can do is archive the order or the item on the list so that if someone actually sees your list, they won't find this item. So I'll click on Archive Order. It'll tell me that this order will not appear on my list, but I can view it in my archived orders, and I'll show you how to get to that in a bit. So I'll click on Archive Order, and now it says your order has been archived, and as you can see, it's not there on my orders list. So if I want to access it or view it, I'll return again to the Account and Lists tab here on the top, and click on it this time. Click on the tab itself. And then in this page, I'll scroll down a bit to the ordering and shopping preferences. And here I can see archived orders. If I click on it, here I can see the order that I archived, and I can view it or even unarchive it and return it to the orders page.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.